How to change Tinder name. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your Tinder name. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Tinder app. Tap on your profile, then tap on this pencil. If you don't see here the pencil, you might see on the top of your profile picture around here. Then scroll down. You will see options to edit your About Me, interests, lifestyle, job title, company, school, etc. But not the option to change your Tinder name. Because according to Tinder, the only way to change your name is to delete your account and make a new one. And if you delete your account, you will lose all of your matches, messages, purchases such as super likes, boosts and other information associated with it. However, if you have a Tinder subscription, you can always reactivate it on your new account. So this was it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks.